A wide variety of products are manufactured in countries all over the world. This also applies to Brazil. Companies utilize machines made by international manufacturers that are operated by local on-site employees. However, if a machine breaks down or other problems occur, it requires quick corrective action to minimize downtime and reduce extra costs. In many cases, on-site employees can remedy problems themselves. But what happens when additional specialist know-how is required? Brazilian employee Gabriel quickly realizes that he cannot solve the issue by himself. Fortunately, he can consult the German manufacturer's service department. Gabriel calls the German service department and eventually gets through to the correct service technician. He tries to describe the issue over the phone to Klaus-Peter, but he cannot help Gabriel without first seeing for himself exactly where the problem is. Klaus-Peter knows the perfect solution though. He asks Gabriel to download the free version of the POINTR app onto his mobile phone. Gabriel installs the app with just a few easy-to-follow steps. Klaus-Peter now calls Gabriel via the app over a guaranteed secure connection. Gabriel answers the call and shows Klaus-Peter the situation on site with the help of the app. Immediately, Klaus-Peter is able to reassure Gabriel as he is now able to see the machine himself and knows where to look for the problem. Thanks to the POINTR app's interactive features, Klaus-Peter can now pinpoint the problem and shows Gabriel exactly which part of the machine needs to be inspected more closely. He asks Gabriel to open the side hatch of the machine. He can tell by the image on the screen that a faulty fuse must be responsible for the outage. Klaus-Peter draws an arrow on the screen to indicate where the fuse is located. He asks Gabriel to replace the fuse with a new one from the spare part kit and writes the instructions next to it. Klaus-Peter instructs Gabriel to bring the machine back into operation and it works again immediately. Job done. Klaus-Peter asks if he can assist Gabriel further, but Gabriel is now happy, especially as the problem was solved so quickly. He wants to know if he has to pay anything for the app. However, the answer is no. Support via POINTR is included in their service agreement. This makes Gabriel doubly pleased, as he can now return to his work without any further obstacles.